Hi, hey, Russ here. Welcome back to the shop. Quick tip today. You all know about my gripper, silicone gripper, and I told you one of the reasons why I preferred sandpaper to silicone was I don't have to clean it. So, but I did promise myself and all you guys that I would try this for a while and see how I liked it and how it compared to my sandpaper one. And I will tell you, I do like this. It really turned out good now that it's cured completely. That caulking is actually pretty amazing stuff. And so this actually works very well. The only problem is, let me take a look here, is that when I'm working on my table saw, sometimes you can see here, it gets to get a lot of sawdust on it. And guess what? When you're not using it, what happens? I set that down right on top, ready to use it again. And usually, there's just a bunch of sawdust. So after a while, that's what happens. And you know as well as I do, that doesn't help at all. So, now here I am with this thing that really does not hold it quite as well as it should anymore. So, now I gotta clean it. Remember what I told you? That's the one thing I hate about this kind of stuff is cleaning it. Well, I did promise I would use this. I told you I would, and I'm going to use it. But this is a real problem. So I've got to thinking about it, put my OTB hat on, and I came up with a solution. I do have all sorts of different nylon and brass and metal brushes that I use around the shop for various things. And I decided, why can't I just take this and give this thing a good brushing in all directions? In just a few seconds, this thing now grips again just as good as when I first made it. So that actually works real well. So now I solved the real problem for myself, and that is keeping this clean, because my tabletop certainly isn't always clean. So, and it does attract the sawdust just like a magnet attracts screws. So if you want to keep it clean, this works real well. Give it a try. And I might also add that as far as maintenance goes on these things, taking this stuff, and after a while, if you do scratch it with the brush, after a while it gets a little rough. First off, I don't think that even matters. But second, worst case scenario, just come back here, take your caulking gun out, put a thin layer on this thing, set it down on the silicone pad, and smash it flat. Let it sit for a few days, and you're brand new again. So it should be easy, I think, to resurface it as I need to. Cleaning it now looks like it's going to be easy, so this might actually work out fairly well, the silicone pad. If you haven't taken silicone caulking and made your own pad, not only is this thing great on the table, but I think I'm going to make a pair of these and keep them over on the jointer, because I think these are going to be a really great pad, push pad for the jointer too. So anyway, quick tip how to clean it, because like I said, that was my biggest gripe about these things. So give it a try. I'm going to continue to use it. So far, this thing is actually passing with flying colors. I really like it a lot. And I think it does really grip better than the sandpaper, quite frankly. So, try it, see what you think. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you like this video, you learned something here, hit that like button. It lets me know I'm doing the right thing. So, most importantly, come back again, because we're nowhere near done. Now, where the hell did I put my coffee? All over again. Well, I gotta go. I gotta go find my damn cup of coffee. Thanks. We'll see you again soon.